Legal counsels can only request, but at the end of the day, it will still be the court handling the case that will have the final say. Thus, instead of remaining under the custody of the Philippine National Police or PNP Custodial Center, dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Guo was transferred to the Pasig City Jail as so ordered by the court. Denise Osorio has more.
It has been quite a whirlwind of a Monday today for dismissed Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Liel Guo, also known as Guo Huaping. The former mayor was transferred from the Philippine National Police Custodial Facility in Camp Crame to the Pasig City Jail female dormitory around 9:15 a.m. today, September 23, a move that was delayed from its original September 20 schedule. This comes after the Pasig City Regional Trial Court or RTC Branch 167 issued an order last September 19 for her transfer of custody to where she faces trial for qualified human trafficking, a non-bailable case. Once she arrived at the dormitory, Guo underwent standard booking procedures but was not ushered into her detention cell immediately because of a possible infection detected in the X-ray results of her left lung during her medical examinations at the PNP General Hospital.
As a policy kasi, paulit-ulit naming sinasabi, no VIP treatment. And kapag in-isolate namin yan sa ibang, o mag-isa siya, o kaya kahit konti sila doon, hindi ba parang it sends a message of VIP? Ayaw po namin ng ganun.
Only 2 options were available for the dismissed mayor, depending on the results of her sputum test. If found positive, a 10-square-meter isolation room shared with 3 other detainees suffering of tuberculosis. And if negative, be squeezed in a detention cell built for 9 inmates, but holding more than 40 persons deprived of liberty or PDLs. A glimmer of a little hope for the Guo camp to be transferred back to the PNP custodial facility showed when presiding Judge Annalyn Cabeles of the Pasig City RTC Branch 167 issued another order to halt Guo's transfer past 2 p.m., a response to a very urgent motion filed in lieu of the former mayor's security and safety. But the BJMP assured Alice Guo's safety in the Pasig City Jail.
We considered yung kanyang safety and security din. As a matter of fact, chinek namin isa-isa ang profile ng kasama niya sa selda. Tiningnan namin yung possible security risk. 80% dito ay drug-related cases. Then sumunod dito mga crimes against property. So sa tingin namin at yung mga profile nito ay wala namang intelligence report or any report na may risk sa kanya doon sa loob ng selda.
Almost in synchrony, lab test results and a third order from RTC Branch 167 were released by the BJMP, indicating the dismissed mayor will stay at the Pasig City Jail. According to the sputum test results, Alice Guo tested negative for tuberculosis and other lung infections, despite being under the weather recently.
Nakikita naman na bumaba talaga yung weight niya. Yun yung ano talaga sa kanya, yun yung observation sa kanya. Because of stress, yun naman talaga. Because of let's face it, lack of sleep din. And so yun talaga.
Meanwhile, RTC 167 presiding Judge Cabeles has deemed her second order moot, as Guo has already been committed into the Pasig City Jail female dormitory. Alice Guo is set to appear at her arraignment on a non-bailable case previously scheduled for September 27, Friday. Denise Osorio from the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.